Good day. We're here again at from Canada Hobbies. So what we did is we removed the R1500 from our shelf. So it's an empty spot there now at the shelf. We're gonna have a look at this receiver. We're gonna take it apart. I want to see what's inside. I have the R800 playing right now, which is a lovely receiver. This one sounds fabulous. So we'll just play with this one for a while on our four-way speakers. It's got a beautiful sound to it. So we're going to have a look at the R1500. I got it here on the table right now. Beautiful receiver. So can't get over it. So curious to see what's inside of it. So put this down on a tripod right now. So there, so everybody can see the back of it. And we're going to take the case off, so I just wanted to see what that's going to look like. Taking the screws out. So excited. I wanted to see the inside of this baby. I want to see if I can see if anybody has been played with it, tampered with it, and if I can see if there's something wrong. We know the right channel doesn't work, which are separate modules. This is the right channel module, and this is the left channel module. We know the left channel makes noise, so we're gonna have headphones hooked up. We're gonna test it, but we're gonna see what's going on inside. So these are the two modules that are presenting the main amp of the 75 watt per channel receiver. This was a top of the line Luxman receiver. It only played good for 2 days. Then the right channel quit. What we're gonna attempt, we're gonna see if it is the main amp that is bothering it, or the preamp. We're just gonna see what's going on here. Any more screws? Nope, just the two. The four, I mean, careful, careful, careful. Oh wow. Let me put this away. Yeah. Oh wow. There we go, and see inside what's going on here. So these are the two modules. This is the left, that's the right one. The original capacitors are still on it. This looks like a P was written on there, like it's pass. And so with this one here, this has been surfaced, this radio. It has not been rebuilt. All the original capacitors are on there except for the power supply board. This is a new one. So on the power supply board, he has several capacitors are changed. I have the written list on what's going to be done. So this is great. Yeah, this is great. This is great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably take this module apart and make a list. This is PB 760. Look at the schematics, what I'll need to have this one rebuilt. Already have a kit in order for the capacitors. So yes, Gonna be great. Mm-hmm.